Hey guys, so this is the next
Hey guys.
this is the next day and we're gonna go, what are we doing?
Horseback riding, giddy up.
No, we're not.
It's near for me.
We're not going horseback riding.
We're going. Give them face, Haley. Give them face.
No, for real.
We're going ATV riding.
Yeah.
You see me rolling. They hating. Patrolling.
Oh, this is Soulja Boy.
She riding. Let me get you. That's Young Josh.
Ooh. It's the good lighting for me. This is so beautiful.
Don't you love it? I wish
Like, look at the mountain.
right here.
You guys, I'm gonna have to move here. I am. I'm moving here. Mark my words.
It's in Nevada.
No, not here, but Cali. It's so nice.
Sweet home Alabama.
Like, would you have rather lived here or New York?
New York.
Yeah. No, the view is just beautiful. Like, looking at the mountains. If you know me personally, you know I love a view. So,
It's real nice.
Taylor. Hi. You're annoying. You're annoying. All right, guys. So, I'm going to talk to y'all when I get there.
Hey, all.
I don't know if I'm going to vlog.
Time by the chucker. I'm on another street.
But yeah. Why I always got to take the pictures? All the time. Lauren told me to do. Lauren said stay there. Hey guys. Okay, this forehead is very much oily. Hi. I'm getting ready to turn 18 up. We are in Arizona right now. Arizona. Y'all, my hands are so dry. Like, this is crazy. Wow. Alright, so how was your first time?
Good, I'm cold.
Mia, tell them how you step.
First of all, this is very dangerous and it's very, I don't know, bro. It's not for me. Will I be doing it again though? Y'all want me in the front of this? Go to bed.
Hi, friends. Say hi. Hey guys, so we're done with ATV riding.
We're out in and out, burger.
Show the food.
Let's see on the chunk the fuck out that burger.
So I got a cheeseburger with fries and a vanilla milkshake. What did you get?
Same thing. No milkshake, so I got it.
But yeah, guys, we had such a great time. We're all dirty still. Like, tonight we're gonna go out. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna get dressed.
It's just, I just don't like the fries. Yeah, the fries are.
Oh, the fries is bad.
Something like that. Why you can't agree on it?
Hey guys. Hey vlog. Hey vlog. So we're at this spot. We eating Senor Frog. Nah, Tiana is done. Tiana. Nah, Tiana is done. baby. Girl, baby.
I'm trying to give him to you. Wait, can we go tell them to play that? I'm trying to bust on you.
Okay. All right. Okay. Hey guys, so today's the next day. We had a lot of fun last night. I'm really glowing. Yeah, we had a lot of fun last night. Haley, you look so cute. I like this outfit.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hey yo, the sun is in my eyes.
Okay, tell us what happened yesterday. First of all, let's talk about how me and you.
Yes, me and Lauren. I can't even see y'all, but me and Lauren, we're always the main one.
No, don't
We
say
were-
that.
We are.
We are. No, don't say it for the vlog.
We're always lit.
Okay, we're always the lit ones. Y'all know what I mean.
Who's that?
I don't know.
Hold on. I'll be right back.
No, I'm coming with you. What the? I don't know who the that is. Anyways, me and Haley is always the lit ones, and this girl Naomi. Let me show y'all Naomi. Let me show you guys Naomi. And Naomi and Taylor was the lit ones tonight. Well, last night. They was lit. And they were dead. Tiana looks so cute. I love this outfit. Thank you. So right now we're going to brunch. And this is what I'm wearing. Very much short. Yes, and Naomi. How you feeling, baby?
But it gets chilly early, so.
Nia on the phone with her mom.
Hey.
And Chance. Say hey.
It gets early chilly, so I'm just playing.
Alright guys, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get there. You guys, look at my eyebrows. I love them. I barely did anything to them. Hey guys, so we're at this restaurant. It's called Pepper Mill. And right now I'm getting breakfast. What time is it?
It is 1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock and I'm eating breakfast. But I don't know what I want. I just got hot chocolate. Tatiana, Chance. Okay guys, so our food came and I got hash brown, eggs, bacon, and a blueberry muffin with butter. And Tiana got toast. What is that? What the fuck? Oh. She got toast. And she got chicken fingers. What did you get? He got spinach, eggs, and hash brown. And I don't know what they got. Yeah, this food is not really that good. It's not giving. Hey you guys, so we're at the mall right now. The food was bad, like I said. We're at this candy store and they have everything. Okay, guys. I'm gonna talk to you guys when we leave out of here because it's too much going on. Hey guys, so we are going ziplining right now.
Yes, family son. Hey guys.
Y'all don't want to see what I'm wearing. Look what I'm wearing. This is so ghetto.
But we're about to go reclining. I'm kind of scared because I haven't been feeling well today. And I don't want to leave
Look
it on my bed.
guys, we're going up. Alright guys, so we are done with the zip lining. It was fun. That's the pole for the zip lining. Unfortunately, I couldn't record it, so that's not gonna happen. How was your experience?
It was nice. I had a good time.
I'm gonna hit you guys when I'm gonna go out to eat or do something interesting, but bye guys. Hey guys, so we are in the cosmetology. What is it called? What is it called? Cosmetology? Cosmopolitan. We're in the Cosmopolitan Hotel. And this is really beautiful. Like,